I'm going to talk through biological sampling, or something that's called the capture-recapture method. Now this is what you use to work out the size of population. For example, how many rabbits live in a field, how many bats live in a cave. So what we do is to estimate the size of a population, capital N. The first thing is to capture and mark, humanely of course, a sample of size little n and release them. Recapture a sample of size capital N and then count the number that have previously been marked in your first sample and call that little m. Now the equations here are how they relate to each other. Little n, remember, is the sample, your first sample, over your large population is equal to the number marked little m over the second sample big M. And that can be rearranged to give big N is equal to little n times big M over M. So let's look at a question and see how it works. In this example, a scientist captures 30 bats and tags them. A month later, they capture 40 bats, and of those 40, 2 of them are already tagged. How many are in the population? Okay, let's see what we've got. The first sample, 30, is your little n. The month later, the second sample is your capital M, and the number tagged, little m, is your 2. And you want to know how many are in the population, which is your capital N. So here's our equations. Okay, reformatted, the size of the population is equal to the size of your first sample times the size of your second sample divided by the number tagged in your second sample, which in this case is 30 times 40 divided by 2, which gives 600.